technical solutions for EV component manufacturing. In the development of new energy vehicle systems, material selection and structural design are only half the battle. The final performance relies on the precision of the injection mold and the technical stability of the injection process. We are a Shanghai-based manufacturer specializing in injection mold design and high-precision injection processing. We serve the new energy vehicle industry by solving the manufacturing challenges inherent in high-performance plastic components. Our technical focus addresses the specific requirements of EV assemblies. Dimensional accuracy in fasteners. We design and manufacture molds that ensure tight tolerances, crucial for high vibration automotive environments. Material integrity for connectors. Our processing parameters are optimized to maintain the structural properties of advanced engineering plastics, ensuring reliable sealing and long-term durability for oil tube connectors. Structural optimization for clamping plates. We provide manufacturing solutions that prioritize load-bearing performance and thermal resistance, tailored to the specific mechanical needs of EV architectures. We operate under the philosophy that a component is only as good as the process that creates it. By refining every stage from the thermal management within our hot runner systems to the controlled cooling cycles, we eliminate common defects and ensure consistent, repeatable quality across your production runs. We don't just supply parts, we provide the manufacturing reliability required for automotive integration. Whether you are dealing with complex geometries or require stringent material performance, our facility offers the technical capacity to execute your design with consistency. We are a manufacturing partner that understands the technical demands of your engineering team. Let us discuss the specific requirements for your next project.